All of us here at American Eagle Locksmith strive to provide you with the best professional locksmith experience. With over 33 years in the business, we've been providing mobile lock and key service to residential and commercial customers. We also have a wide variety of wall, personal, and gun safes. Interactive high-security multi-lock key system certified, and we specialize in cutting and programming keys for the newest model cars. Our 3 emergency mobile service vehicles provide security and locksmith service 7 days a week, 24 hours a day in Asheville, Hendersonville, and the surrounding areas. Come by today at 3484 Hendersonville Road, Fletcher, North Carolina, or give us a call at 828-651-8400.